Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a website called Zoo Management System. Entertainment is the best part of everyone's life. For children to old age people, the most loving entertainment is the zoo. Zoo is a place where we can see the lot of animals. Zoo is a house for many animals and they can take care by guardians. If they want to, if we want to visit the zoo, we need to buy entry tickets. So tickets will be booked in this website we are designed. Through this website, the guardians also can consult the doctors for advices or regarding the animals' health issues. So through this website, they will consult the doctors also. So for ticket booking, for zoo ticket booking, we are designed this website. So coming to the website, we have four modules in this website. Those are admin, guardian, doctor, and customer. Coming to the admin will log in into the website with the login credentials like email address and password. After logging into the website, the admin can add and view the guardians and also add and view the doctors, add and view the tickets. After adding all this information to the website, the guardians will get login into the website with email address and password. After entering into the website, the guardians can add and view the animals to the website. They can add the animals to the website and view the animals in the same page. After adding the animals, the guardian will assign the food for the animals. So by choosing the food, the food will be added by the guardian, and these both operations can be viewed in the same page. So after adding the food, the guardian will send the request to the doctor. So now we don't have any doctors, so the request does not exist. So after adding the food, the doctors will log in into the website with the login credentials like email address and password. After logging into the website, the guardians will send the doctor request to the particular doctor by selecting the particular doctor, and the doctor will be logged into the website and they can check the animal request. After checking the animal request, the doctor will add treatment for that issue and they can view the treatments in the view treatments page. After adding the treatments, the guardian can view the treatments in the view treatments page, which are added by the doctor. So these all the treatment process will also monitor the admin. Admin can view the animals and the treatments which are added by the doctor. So after completion of the treatment, the customers will get registered into the website with the name, email address, password, phone number, address, and number of bookings like tickets. So they'll enter into the website with the registration. After entering the website, they'll log in into the website with the registered email address and password. After entering into the website, the customers can view the animals. And by selecting the animals, can view the animals and they can view their food, animals' food. And after viewing the animals and food, they can click on the book tickets button in the tickets page. After clicking the book tickets button, they'll enter into the payment page. So in this payment page, they'll enter the amount of the payment and number of tickets, payment, total amount. So they'll pay the amount in the payment page. After paying the amount, the bookings will be confirmed. Those confirmed tickets will be displayed on the view booking page. So these view bookings will be displayed on the bookings of the customer. After bookings, the customers will check out their visitors and selected tickets. And also the admin can view the ticket bookings in the view tickets page. And the admin also can view the visitors of the website. So coming to the website, we'll check the output here. So here we have admin, guardian, doctor, and customer. I'm logging into the website and admin. Admin, password. This is the admin homepage. Add guardian. So I'm adding the guardian by clicking the add guardian button and guardian name, guardian email address, gmail.com, password, phone number, age, gender, and about. Guardian for animals. Add guardian. Here, the added guardian will be displayed here. And after adding the guardian, we'll add the doctors to the website. So by clicking the add doctor button, we'll enter the doctor name, doctor email address, password, phone number, age, specialization, veterinary, and veterinary masters, experience, 3 years. About doctor for animals. Gender and add doctor. Here we are added doctor here now, and we'll add the tickets. By clicking the add ticket button, we'll add the tickets. The description entry tickets, available tickets, and for children's price per adult. Add ticket. View tickets. There is no tickets because customer will not log in into the website. Log out. Guardian. Log into the Guardian page. This is the Guardian homepage. Here, by clicking the change password button, the Guardian can change the password of his email. So I'm not changing here. Here, the Guardian can view the animals and add the animals by clicking the add button. So I'm adding the animals here. Weight of the animal and picture of the animal. Adding the picture here. Enter age of the animal. So the tiger lifespan is 10 to 15 years. So we are adding here 9 years. And it's male. Oh, which time? By clicking the add button, the animals will be added to the website, and by clicking add food button, the guardian can add the food to that particular animal. Content here and food timings also. View food By clicking the view food button, the guardian can view the food which are added by him, and also doctor request. He'll send the doctor request by clicking the doctor request, which talks which doctor. Here I'm choosing the doctor and send the request. You can view the request here also, which are sent by guardian. View treatments. We don't have a treatment, so we'll log out to the website and log in as a doctor. Email address and password. Login. This is the doctor homepage. Doctor can view the animals by clicking the view animals request. So this is the animal request which is sent by the guardian, and add treatment for this. Send. By clicking the send button, the treatment will be sent to the guardian and view the treatments which are added, which are done by the doctor. So here the status will be changed as treatment done. After adding the treatment, the doctor log out from the website and guardian will log in and password. View the animals. Guardian can view the animals and view the request. By clicking the view treatments button, the guardian will check the treatment's status. The status will be changed here as a treatment done. So the treatment was completed. This operation will also check the admin. So I'm getting to the admin again and view animals. The admin can view the animals which are added by admin guardian, and he can view the food and view request. Can also check the treatments for the animals. Treatments of the animals also checked by the admin. I'm registered as a customer. Customer name, customer email address, customer password, phone number, age, gender, register. Customer will log in into the website with the registered email address. I'm entering email here and password. Login. This is the customer homepage. After entering into the website, the customer can view the animals which are added by the guardian, and they can also view the food of the animals. So like this, they will view the animals, and by clicking the tickets button, they'll book the tickets. By clicking the book tickets button, they can click the tickets and enter the adult count of the tickets. With the name and age, children count for the tickets. Here I'm adding the children name and age. Book ticket. By clicking the book ticket button, the tickets will be booked. Ticket booked successfully. After booking the ticket, the customer can view the tickets which are by him. After clicking the view tickets button, we'll found two buttons here like pay amount and view visitors. So by clicking the pay amount button, we are paying the amount for that particular booked tickets. So by entering the card number and these all details, we'll pay the money for the tickets. So this card number should be in 16 digits. 16 digits and cardholder name, CVV number, expiry date, pay, amount paid. After paying the amount, the customer can view the visitors also, which are added by him. They are the visitors. So this is the visitors page. After booking the tickets, the customer will log out from the website and admin will log in into the website and check the bookings. Here the tickets will be displayed and by clicking the view tickets button, the booked tickets will be booked ticket information will be displayed here. By clicking the view visitors page, the admin can check the visitors also here. So like this, the admin can check the information about the website. This is the Zoom management website. Hope you guys all understand. Thank you.